Hello students, tonight we are going to talk about inequalities. And inequalities actually means a range of numbers. And for example, if I want to buy something which costs $100, therefore in my pocket I should bring at least $100 so that I can buy that goods. So in mathematics, and we can represent this at least $100 by an inequality. Let's say if we represent the amount of money of mine be X dollar, then X should be greater than or equal to $100. And if we left out the dollar sign, we have X is greater than or equal to 100. So actually, X is in fact a range. X can be a number of different values. X can be 101, 102, or 213, 999, etc. And actually, we can represent this range by a number line. If this is X, this is 0, and this is 100. X greater than or equal to 100 can be represented by this range. Since this is an equal sign, we have an equal sign here, so this will be a dot. And now we can represent an inequality on a number line or graphically. We have X. Remember, we must have a 0 mark in all number lines. And X is greater than 3, we mark 3 here. And since this is greater, does not include the equal sign, so this will be a small circle here. X is equal to 3 can be represented in this way on a number line. And let's look at another example. X is less than or equal to -1. And again, we have -1 here. Less than or equal to -1, we have a dot here. And then we represent this range right here. X is less than or equal to -1. And in fact, these ranges, we can always find a number inside this range which satisfies this inequality. For example, we can find -2 here. -2 is inside this range. So if we substitute or put -2 in this inequality, we can actually see that -2 less than or equal to -1 is always true. This is always true.